Okay, so here we have the unboxing of the Bellroy Premium Leather Sling. So I have here a few things that I would personally add to my bag. It's quite a few things, so I'm going to start with the little ones. So this here is a bag with everything in it, and it does end up a little bit bulky, but other than that I think it's great for on the go. And maybe I can slip in a lip balm or two in there if I take out the case. But other than that, it works out great. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.